This is the Leatherman-Squirt. The Squirt is a mid-sized multi-tool, only about 2¼ inches in length. It comes in 3 colors of anodized aluminum: red, blue, and gray. 3 models. This one here, the S4, has a pair of scissors, heavy-duty scissors, as its main tool. The E4 has an electrician's wire strippers, and the P4 has a pair of pliers for the main tool. Let's look at the outside first. On this side we have a large flathead screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver and a bottle opener. This side we do have an inch and centimeter markings on this. The other side of this is a real nice nail file. It's very highly abrasive. It works really quick. And a manicure tool on the end of that. On the other side we have a super sharp knife blade. It snaps in place. A small flathead screwdriver and a pair of tweezers. The tweezers are high quality and they come together perfectly. As we open up the tool, we find these super sharp, heavy-duty scissors. Of course, any pair of scissors can cut a sheet of paper. Let's cut about 12 sheets right now. Shows you how easy this works. Nice, easy, clean cuts. The Leatherman-Squirt.